Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my 1997 Simpsons radio alarm clock. I got it for Christmas. The alarm clock feature does not work, and I believe Bart is missing the poison that he's supposed to be holding. It comes in a blue cup and it's red liquid. So he's supposed to be copying what Itchy and Scratchy are doing on the screen right there. And let me just show you what the things do. This is the radio tuner. It has a FM AM switch, so you can switch that from FM to AM. I'll give an example of that in a second. And this is the volume tuner, so I could press that.
Bombs away, man!
No! Mastodons still roam the earth.
Let me turn the radio off. You press that, and that's what.
No!
Why, you little...
Bombs away, man!
That turns the volume. This is what turns that sound clip on. The dog doesn't do anything, it's just a statue there. These pork rinds stop the sound clip.
Why, you little...
This, I believe, switches it to turn the radio on. That's Marge and Lisa. Just in there. They're two-dimensional. Then there's the alarm. It does not work for me. And let me turn the radio on here. Let's see. Okay, I got the radio on. It switched right now on AM. I'm going to try and find NPR in here. So I'm going to turn the volume down. And I'm going to try and find NPR. It's not pointing in the right direction, I don't think. Okay, let's see. Country. I think that's NPR. Let me look. Yeah, that's. So yeah, that's just a demonstration of my Simpsons alarm clock. Also, it's missing the TV antennas. So, bye.